Senate President Cheese Escudero and Senator Raffy Tulfo are seeking the suspension of the controversial Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program until all issues surrounding it are resolved. During the Senate Committee on Public Services hearing about the PUV Modernization Act on Tuesday, July 23, Escudero says he has been objecting to the PUV modernization plan, noting that it was not well thought out and would only burden the transport sector.
Sa halagang 2.5 million kada isa, saan naman kukuha ng pambayad nun yung operator o yung driver? Kahit anong computation ang gawin ninyo para mabayaran yung buwan ng hulog sa isang PUV na 2.53 million ng halaga, kahit maganda ko ba yung driver, kulang po ang 24 na oras na pamamasada para mabayaran yon na may kita pa rin yung operator at yung driver.
Escudero then urges Committee on Public Services Chairperson Tulfo to file a resolution expressing the sense of the Senate and calling on President Bongbong Marcos to temporarily suspend the PUV modernization program.
Buwang paniniwala ko na mayoriya ng mga senador ay sumusuporta sa pagsuspinde ng modernization program na ito, kaya imbis na panukalang batas o dagdag dito, makakapagpasa tayo agad ng resolusyon expressing the sense of the Senate na hinihiling at pinapanawagan sa Pangulo na ito'y pansamantala munang suspindihin hanggat hindi nasasagot lahat ng mga katanungan, lahat ng problema at lahat ng kwestyong pinansyal kaugnay ng modernisasyong ito.
Escudero expresses high hopes regarding the appeal, especially after the President's State of the Nation address, where he publicly announced the immediate banning of Philippine offshore gaming operators nationwide. For the Senate Chief, Marcos's decisive order means that he listens and he is sensitive to the pulse and opinion of the people. Tulfo receives Escudero's proposal well, agreeing to file such a resolution. Escudero says he is willing to help Tulfo get majority signatures should he file the resolution in the coming days. The government's PUV modernization plan seeks to revise the country's franchising system in a bid to deliver safe and comfortable transport. Despite apprehensions publicly aired by the transport sector, Marcos earlier maintained that no driver would lose their job and livelihood under the PUV modernization program.